The resonance. In Strings Interactive Calculator helps engineers analyze standing waves and resonant frequencies in vibrating strings. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate resonant frequency given wave speed, length, and harmonic. Calculate wave speed given frequency, length, and harmonic. Calculate string tension given frequency, length, mass per unit length, and harmonic. Calculate wavelength given length and harmonic. Calculate all harmonics given wave speed, length, and number of modes. And calculate linear mass density given tension and wave speed. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Resonant Frequency. The input fields include wave speed in meters per second, string length in meters, harmonic number n, frequency in hertz, string tension in newtons, linear mass density in kilograms per meter, and number of harmonics. For our example, I'll enter wave speed equals 10 meters per second, string length equals 10 meters, and harmonic number equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show resonant frequency equals 5.0 hertz and wavelength equals 2,000 meters. This means at the 10th harmonic, this string configuration produces a standing wave at 5 hertz with a wavelength of 2 meters. This calculator streamlines string resonance analysis for musical instruments and engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.